Are we building our own replacement? The truth about AI, automation, and the future of humanity. What if the greatest threat to humanity isn't war, climate change, or disease, but our own inventions? What if the machines we are building today are quietly preparing to replace us tomorrow? Are we creating tools or our own successors? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear may completely change how you see the future. The rise of intelligent machines. We are living in the most technologically advanced era in human history. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It writes articles, creates art, drives cars, diagnoses diseases, predicts markets, and even talks like humans. Companies around the world are investing billions into automation. Factories are run by robots. Customer service is powered by AI. Algorithms decide what we watch, what we buy, and sometimes even what we believe. The question is no longer, can machines think? The real question is, what happens when they think better than us? From self-driving cars to humanoid robots, technology is evolving faster than human adaptation. Every year, machines become more efficient, more accurate, and more independent. But progress always comes with consequences. Automation and the disappearing workforce. Throughout history, technology has replaced jobs, but it has also created new ones. The Industrial Revolution replaced manual labor with machines. Computers replaced typewriters. The internet replaced physical stores. But this time feels different. AI is not just replacing physical work, it is replacing intellectual work. Writers, designers, programmers, lawyers, doctors, even creative professionals are now competing with algorithms. According to global research studies, millions of jobs may disappear in the coming decades due to automation. Entire industries are transforming at an unstoppable pace. So we must ask, are we building efficiency or unemployment? If machines can work 24/7 without salary, emotion, or error, why would companies choose humans? This is where the fear begins. The intelligence explosion. Artificial intelligence is improving exponentially. Unlike humans, machines can instantly copy knowledge. When one AI learns something, that knowledge can be transferred to millions of systems in seconds. Imagine billions of connected machines learning from each other continuously. That is not evolution over thousands of years. That is evolution in real time. Some experts warn about something called artificial general intelligence, a level where AI can perform any intellectual task better than humans. If that moment arrives, humanity may face its greatest turning point. Will AI serve us or surpass us? Are we replacing ourselves? Let's look at the deeper truth. Technology replaces what is repetitive, what is predictable, what follows patterns. But what makes humans unique? Emotion, creativity, consciousness, morality, empathy. Machines can simulate emotion, but do they feel it? They can create art, but do they experience inspiration? They can write poetry, but do they understand love? The real danger is not that machines become human. The real danger is that humans become machine-like, dependent, passive, disconnected from real skills. If we stop thinking because AI thinks for us, if we stop creating because AI creates for us, if we stop learning because information is instant, then we are not being replaced by technology. We are surrendering to it. The power struggle of the future nations are racing to dominate AI technology. Whoever controls advanced AI may control global power, economically, militarily, and politically. Autonomous weapons, cyber warfare, deepfake manipulation, mass surveillance. Technology is no longer just innovation, it is power. But with great power comes great responsibility. The challenge is not stopping technology. The challenge is guiding it ethically. Without regulation, transparency, and human-centered design, technology can easily be misused. History has shown us that every powerful invention can be both constructive and destructive. The internet connected the world, but also spread misinformation. Social media built communities, but also increased division. AI will be no different. The human advantage. Despite all fears, humans still have something machines cannot replicate: true consciousness. We imagine futures that do not exist. We feel pain, joy, purpose, and meaning. We question our own existence. Technology is built by humans. It reflects our values. If we program empathy into AI, it will act empathetically. If we program greed, control, and dominance, that is what it will amplify. The future is not about humans versus machines. It is about humans with machines. The real winners will be those who adapt, learn new skills, and use AI as a tool, not as a replacement. So are we building our own replacement? The honest answer? It depends on us. Technology itself is neutral. It is neither enemy nor savior. If we use it wisely, it can eliminate poverty, cure diseases, solve climate change, and expand human potential. If we use it carelessly, it can deepen inequality, remove purpose, and concentrate power in the hands of a few. We are not building our replacement. We are building our reflection. The future of humanity will not be decided by machines. It will be decided by the choices we make today. Final thought. The real question is not whether AI will replace humans. The real question is, will we evolve with technology or allow it to define us? The future is not written in code. It is written in human decisions. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it interesting and informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging and knowledge-packed content. See you in the next video.